So you're welcome to Magdiasa Farm. So today we want to see how we use the black soldier fly larva to feed our catfish. So let's see how they are going to take it. So we're going to feed this one, not everything. We'll have another pond to give them. So let's feed them to see how they will respond to eating it. A lot of excitement. They love it so much because it's 70% rich in protein, and this is an earthen pond, also very good in raising your catfish. So we have a lot of fishes here, up to 3,000 fishes.